If we double click on this bin, we can see the content of the bin. Now, to get a bigger picture, I'm going to double click on the name of the bin here, Desert Story Rough Cut. This will expand it so I can see a full view on my screen. Having opened it up in full view, we can actually move our cursor over these images. It will actually scrub through, giving you a little mini preview of what each of the clips does. I can adjust the order within this panel by dragging my clips around. I can change the position of individual clips to the order that I want them in. I can then select all of these clips. I'm doing a marquee selection. Now, to turn these all into a sequence, I'm going to do a right mouse click and I'm going to select New Sequence from Clip. Now, what this has done, it has taken our clips and placed them all in a timeline. Everything in Premiere Pro happens over time. We have here a playhead. That playhead can be scrubbed over time to see a preview about all of the little clips. The playhead can be dragged to give you a preview of what's in each of the clips.